Today we are going to start the 10th standard syllabus of English. In that we are going to refer the lesson that is Color of Silence from National Book Trust of India, and also here are some of the important glossaries here, glossary and the meaning, useful meanings here. Also let us go to the detailed note or the summary of the lesson that is Colors of Silence. Satish Gujral became a great artist. Support this statement mentioning a few of his achievements. Or physical disability is no barrier to success to Satish justified. So this is an important, you can say the important question which is going to come in the lesson that is Colors of Silence. Now let us go to the summary here of the lesson that is Colors of Silence. Satish met with an accident at the early age of 8, so he lost his hearing power. Due to frequent absence and hearing problem, the school he was attending informed his father that they couldn't keep Satish. Other school also refused to take admission. His father and his brother spent much time with him and provided many books. He developed his interest in painting. In the beginning, his father discouraged him, but later he accepted that his son's destiny lay in canvas and painting. He admitted his son to the best school of art and made his life in the chosen field. Satish Gujral is among the foremost artists of India and accomplished in several art forms like painting, sculpture and architecture. He was also a writer. Exhibitions of his works have been held in all over the world and displayed in prestigious museums like Museums of Modern Art, New York, the Hiroshima Collections, Washington, National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi. He published 4 books in various arts. He was awarded the Order of Crown for the Best Architectural Design of Belgium Embassy in New Delhi. He has also been honored with Padma Vibhushan. So these are the important questions. Narrate the circumstances of Satish staying at home, or everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show to Satish. Why? One holiday, Satish was hiking with his father and brother. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. Rickety bridge means weak bridge. Rapids is nothing but a dangerous part of a river which flows very fast. Satish looked down at swirling water below him. His foot slipped, he lost his balance and fell in the rapids. As a result of this, his legs and ear were injured, his legs became weak, he suffered frequently from bouts of fever and infections. The teacher did not allow him to come to school because he was weak in hearing and frequently getting absent for the class. His father tried to get admission to him some other school, but in vain. When he went outside to play with children, they teased him, therefore he was compelled to stay at home. Important question. Describe the incident that changed the lonely and despairful life of Satish. Answer is, one day he was looking gloomy into the far corner of the garden. He saw a bird that was unlike any he had ever seen before. It had a longish tail and black crest. Most interesting thing of a bird was its restless energy. For a long moment he stared at the bird. When it Flew away, he jumped down from his bed and took off his notebook and pencil. He sketched the bird from his memory with a few deft strokes. He liked the picture and set against the stack of books on his bedside table. His father did not like painting initially but later supported well. The important key points. Satish was an 8-year-old boy. Once his friend Surinder came to home, asked for his absence to school. Satish was lying on the bed. He couldn't hear the words of Surinder. Satish had terrible headache and felt everything is going dark and silent. Surinder had a strange look and wondered himself that Satish might lose his hearing. The question. Surinder, a friend of Satish, came to visit him. Satish hadn't gone to school. Why? Next, on a holiday in Kashmir, Satish had gone hiking with his father and brother. As they were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids, Satish looked down at the rushing waters. His foot slipped and, losing his balance, he fell into the rapid. Question is, how did Satish met with an accident? He had several operations and his legs healed, but they remained weak. He suffered frequently from bouts of fever and infections of the ear. Satish was suffering and felt that some huge weight was pressing upon his head. He became deaf and he could not bear the silence. According to doctor, all this was caused by side effects of the medicine given in the time of treatment for legs. Question is, why did Satish confine to bed? What was the worst thing for him? Why was it so? Next, because of his illness, he was irregular to school and had the hearing problem. So the school authorities couldn't keep Satish in their school. He became moody after he was rejected by many schools. He could not talk freely with others. His brother sat with him for hours to teach him words and pronunciation. Satish began to avoid going out to play with the other children. Many schools refused to take Satish. How did it affect him? After some days, Satish again struck and confined to bed. One day he saw a bird through window that was flying here and there. He was attracted by its restless energy. After it flew away, he took out his notebook and pencil and made a sketch of the bird from memory. He liked the picture and soon began to spend a lot of time making different sketches. Question. How did the beautiful bird inspire Satish? Satish's father wanted his son to have a very bright future. He felt that artists do not make much money. Satish could achieve something in his life if he studied hard instead of wasting time on drawing. Satish's father had a hope of his recovery. Question. Why was Satish's father against drawing? Satish's father wanted him to study so that he could achieve something in his life. He had the hope that Satish's hearing would come back and he would go back to school. Satish's mother, on the other hand, did not have the hope that he would recover his hearing. She was happy that her son had found a good time in drawing and she did not want to stop him. Satish's parents were both his well-wishers. How did each one care of him? Though they visited doctors several times, his condition was not improving. One day his father observed his son's talent in drawing and decided to encourage him. He brought paints, brushes, drawing sheets and carefully set them on his table. Satish came and hugged his father with love. His father found the best school of arts and his sons make his life in his way. In this way, he became great artist, the boy now popularly known as Satish Gujral. Question. Satish's father accepted that his son's destiny lay in canvas and paint. What did he promise to do? How did Satish express his gratitude? Satish Gujral is among the foremost artists in India, excelling in painting, sculpture and architecture. Exhibitions of his work have been held all over the world. He is also a writer and has been published 4 books of his works in the various arts. He received many awards. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan. He was a good example for the disabled could also achieve the best. Disability was no barrier to success. Question. How can you say that Satish became popular all over the world, or physical disability is no barrier to success? Explain. So dear children, this was the summary of the lesson, that is Colors of Silence, just taken by the National Book Trust of India. Thank you for watching this video.